Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna tell you guys that what could be the possible issues if your front windshield wiper washer is not working. So let me tell you the reasons. Number one reason could be your washer button is not working. I'll let you know everything, each thing one by one, that what are the things and where they are located actually. Okay, so the number one thing I already said is that it could be the issue with your button, or another issue could be your fuse is blown. Other issue can be your water bottle is empty, and next reason could be water bottle leak, or maybe your water bottle motor is not working, or you might have a pipe leak which is connected to the washer itself, or there is a possibility that the pipe which comes to the hood all over from the water bottle to the hood, there is a possibility that it may be detached. So let's get more in depth of the video and let me tell you guys where could be the locations of the following things I have already said. So as I was talking about the button, it's actually not the button, it's like it is actually a button, yeah. So it is like this one, from which you guys use the wiper and the washer. So I was talking about this button right here. Maybe this is broken or something is happening with this thing. You might replace it and it will work fine. Or the number two issue which I was telling about, the fuse. The fuse actually can be found under your dash over here on the driving seat, right? In my case it's here, or you can find it under the hood. Alright, okay, so the next issue I said that your water bottle might be empty, so you guys can refill the water bottle and your issue will be solved. Or the other issue can be water bottle leak, like your water bottle can be broken, so you guys can replace your water bottle and then you are good to go. Because in my case earlier when I found the issue, it was actually the water bottle. My water bottle was broken, so all the water I put in the water bottle, it's all leaking. Actually I had two issues in my car. The first issue was this water bottle leak, and the other issue was that my pipe was detached, which connects in the hood. So let me show you guys first the water bottle leak I already fixed because I bought the new bottle, and the other issue is which could be is water bottle motor. So let me show you guys this motor. Okay guys, so I am here at the passenger side of my car, and as you guys can see, this is the bottle right here and this is the motor of this bottle. So the issue can be in this plug or these wirings or itself in the bottle. Okay, as you guys can see, here is this pipe. This pipe can be detached. You can look at this pipe as well in your car, or you can see the wirings of this motor clip, or actually the motor, because it's a 12-watt motor. It's an electric part, so it may also not working, so you can go either way. Okay, so the next thing will be the detachment of the pipe from the hood. So as you guys can see, this pipe is going all above there and there. So let me open the hood and I'll show you guys where the issue could be. You guys can see this pipe is coming right from behind the fender and it goes all the way under the hood, as you guys can already see. So what the issue comes is like because of the heat from the engine, these pipes get hard, so it may be removable easily. So what I did is change these pipes and bought the new one because they are much softer and they are easy to plug in. So there could be a possibility that these pipes are getting harder and they are coming off by themselves, and the issue they create is that the one thing is that they don't throw water outside down the glass, and the other issue they make is they throw the water inside the engine, which is actually harmful for your engine if your engine does not have any cover or sheet over it, so it may ruin your engine as well. So if this is the issue, you need to change the pipes as soon as possible, or attach them by anything like clip or something, so the water does not go in your engine. Or the other thing is that if you don't want to change these pipes, you may don't use the windshield washer, because it will create a great mess in your engine bay. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you learned something new with this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel, because many more to come, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.